addition to that, there's a secret menu in here that most people don't know about. Welcome back to the channel. I want to quickly run you through some menus on the newer Mercedes. This applies to the Mercedes EQS, the EQE, the EQB maybe even, and probably the newer S-Class as well. Now when you get to your screen after everything's booted up, if you hit the home button, then you hit settings. This is generally what you come up to. You can click through all your various settings and change the different aspects of your vehicle and how it operates. And in addition to that, there's a secret menu in here that most people don't know about. You want to get back to this screen and then tap on Assistance continuously until a secret menu pops up. There it is. Look at that. So you've got a few things that come up in here. You've got audio volume, vehicle functions, logging, navigation, system activation engineering, video, TV, and leave dealer mode. Now this is the first time I'm poking my head in here, so I have no idea what any of these are. Let's go through them together. Let's click on audio volume. What does that give us? That gets us to this menu. Do I know what any of these do? Not really. Haven't really looked at all of them, but this is what shows up under that menu. Let's go back. Next, we've got vehicle functions. Under vehicle functions, we've got tourist mode label, tourist mode, off, on, unavailable. Don't know what it does. Maybe you can do some research and tell me what it does. Next, we've got logging. I'm assuming that's some sort of debugging for the system. Yeah, probably. Not sure what it does, but this is what it says. Next, we've got navigation, demo mode, and map data. Okay, well, I don't really want to deal with any of those, but just for your knowledge, that's what's under there. System activation. Update system activation status, and holy moly, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay. Before I screw anything up, I'm going to go back. Next, we've got system activation engineering. I'm going to leave that alone. How about video? We've got image enhancement media, fading media. Maybe that allows you to change some of the pictures that show up. I don't know. How about TV? We got image enhancement, fading, and sync status. Maybe some of you audio visual experts know what any of that means. And then leave dealer mode. That sounds self-explanatory. I don't know if this would be useful to anybody, but that's the secret menu and that's how you get to it if you ever want to poke around in there. Oh, and look at all these fingerprints. I'll show you what my solution for that is on the next video. Every single car we have with a touchscreen, pretty much any modern vehicle these days, fingerprints galore. Easy solution. I'll show you in the next video. In the meantime, hope you found this video helpful. I know it was brief. Maybe it wasn't helpful, but I hope you found it helpful. Maybe you can tell me what some of those options are for. Anyway, I love you guys. I will see you next time.